Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is I did say that I wanted to make an unboxing specifically on this pair of shoes. I'm not exactly sure what I've made the title, whether it's why this shoe will be worth $2,000 down the line, my next long-term sneaker hold. Maybe I just called it an unboxing. I did just do one yesterday, so I am doing back-to-back, and I did show these a bit in yesterday's video, but I kind of want to go into deeper detail and show you all maybe why I think this is a good hold. I've already discussed. Why do I have to live by the street, man? People don't mind honking out here, which I actually don't have a problem with. In Charlotte, people never honk, which is, an issue. But aside from that, we're just going to get in this video, kind of discuss why I think it'll be worth more. I have already made a seller hold video, so you already know I do think this is a great hold, but just kind of want to discuss why I think this shoe is kind of unique and the details to it. So if y'all want more content like this, again, more unboxing videos, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Of course, my beautiful stutter right there. Hopefully you understood what I was saying, but no like goal, just as many as possible to help the channel get out there. And yeah, we'll kind of get into discussing this shoe and everything about it right now. So first things first, on these pair of Travis Fragment lows, as you guys can tell, you can see there's kind of a sleeve on it, and when you remove the sleeve, seeing the details on it, it just has the Cactus Jack logo and their typical Nike Air logo that they work with, along with the Fragment logo. You can see that right there probably, but just a little case sleeve. I'm assuming this is just to protect the box and kind of keep the shoes in nicer condition. Overall, nice little detail that Nike added. I don't mind it at all, and I actually think it's pretty cool, and I think they should do that with some future shoes for sure. I definitely kind of like that trend because kind of keeping the box a bit protected, it's looking out for it. I like it. It's an extra detail that I notice, and not to mention the clean military blue and kind of sail colorway box, whatever you want to call it, just a white and blue, whatever you may be. It's a little bit different than a white kind of colorway on the box. It's more or less a cream color, but they call it the sail color. That's what they go with. But aside from that, you guys can see your boy from Sneakers, lucky enough, got blessed, size 6.5 on me right there, and that's where y'all can see all the details on it. Just so you know, it's legit. We don't do any fake stuff over here, and we don't condone fakes over here too. So again, another detail. Oh, I thought someone was laying on their horn, but yeah, another detail too. You got the pink wrapping box, of course, or wrapping paper, not box, but everybody kind of known that. I feel like we've seen these in a lot of pictures. Interesting detail, kind of matches with the laces, the extra pair that they have that is also a pink set. I believe they have those on the highs too, but it might just be on the lows. But heading into the details and looking at this shoe, I'll take the other one out in a second just so we can go over that one also. But yeah, first things first, on the shoe you can see we got the extra lace sets. We got white laces, and then we got also you can see we got 3 different sets of laces right here: black, pink, and then blue right here. And I don't know, okay, never mind, we're good. But yeah, you can see we got 3 sets of laces, which is a ton of laces, including these ones. We have 4 sets of laces for this shoe. 4, not 1, not 2, maybe like we normally have. No, they really wanted to bring the variety out here and make sure you're wearing whatever kind of laces you like with the shoe, which I kind of like. They put a little bit extra details in here, because why we have 3 lace bags, I don't know, but do I mind it? No, I don't mind it at all. I see Nike put more effort into the shoe, so you wonder why it's going for more right now, why this is an over $1,000 shoe. They're adding small details that people really like about it, and I wish whoever had factory laced my Jordans would have done a better job. Sneakers, you need to have a little talk with those people right there, because that is not a factory lace. I don't know what that is, but yeah, we got that going on right there, kind of a small detail. Then also, of course, this is kind of what brought up the value of it. You got the Cactus Jack logo right there, straight down the center, along with the face right there. These are both logos that they commonly use. Y'all probably know that, but just another simple detail. And of course, the reverse swoosh being different colors on both sides. I like that they kept the different colors on both sides. I think it really fits, especially with kind of the I guess black toe, you want to call it that. Even though it's kind of a white toe box, you got the kind of black toe going around right here, and then you can kind of see also on the inside it matches on it, which I think is good. And then they kept the sail colorway to match with the sole right here, and also with the blue and white, which I really like. Overall, well coordinated. And also this tongue this specifically matches with the tongue as well. I think they coordinated that on purpose. Now, if I was going to wear these, I would personally wear them with these laces, the OG ones. I'm not a huge fan of the pink ones. I would maybe try with the blue ones just to see what it looks like, but again, we just have so many laces on this pair of shoes. And of course, the straight blue sole on the bottom, nothing really different or unique about that, just pretty typical. But overall, I like how they've kept these. It's a lot of smaller details. Again, as I've already mentioned, they put more effort into the shoe, even though it doesn't seem like it. I mean, you got, look, the little, extra case right there. You got extra laces, plenty of laces, pretty much any color you would want to wear with these. They're providing us with options on the shoe. And then also with the, the high version of the shoe, actually, if you want to go check StockX right now, the high version, the Jordan 1 high version of the shoe is rising up in value again. Yes, I didn't think it was possible. It's rising again. People are paying $4K right now, again. People are really paying. So when you kind of see that, I mean, this shoe will have to follow suit sooner or later. Just once the sneakers pairs get in hand, I expect this shoe to drop in price. I do. I expect it to drop a little bit, but then I expect it to rise back up, kind of quickly respond, because I think once the quick sellers, all those kinds of people are gone on the shoe, those that are willing to hold on to this are going to make a fat bag, and I want to be one of those people. So another thing I want to mention too, simple details. You can see we got the Fragment logo and also the embroidered Air Jordan 1 logo up there. That is some kind of messy embroidery. Yeah, you can kind of see that maybe could have done a bit better on this. A little bit of some messy embroidery, but I'm not complaining. You know, Nike and Adidas always kind of compete for who has the worst quality control. So yeah, I guess that's kind of expected. And then also another detail I want to show on the shoe right there. You can see on the inside, you got, excuse me, but you got the little kind of, I guess, name of the shoe. They kind of put that little fragment detail. I noticed they do this on a lot of their collabs. And I think this is also on the upcoming Sakai's. But yeah, overall, y'all can see what they did. There's what's kind of different on the back of each one. Each one's kind of unique. I knew they were going to do this. And you got each logo there. That's not really too crazy of a concept. Like, this wasn't that hard to think of. Oh, why don't we put one logo for Jordan here, and then, you know, Fragment logo here, and then why don't we put the Cactus Jack logo here, and then, you know, another Cactus Jack logo. It's basically, this shoe is a fat money grab. It is, and it's going to continue rising in value because people are going for that money grab and people are paying. And not to mention, there wasn't as many pairs as we think of these, to be honest. I mean, look, this just looks like a normal pair of lows right now, but then, oh, $2,000, yeah, normal lows, $2,000, normal lows, $2,000. You know what I mean? So, hey, play with the game and you'll understand it. That's just really all I gotta say. And yeah, they just didn't even factory lace the one in here. So I don't know what's going on, sneakers, but yeah, y'all did not factory lace my shoes, but I'm not complaining. At least I got a pair. That's enough of a blessing in itself. But overall, I actually kind of like the, you know, the reverse swoosh thing. Everything they've done with the shoe. I like that they brought out a pair of lows, but just kind of my overall thoughts. You have to admit, the shoe is just a cash grab. That's all it is. When you combine Fragment, Travis Scott, and Jordan, I mean, what do you think you're doing? You know what I mean? Fragment and Travis Scott, really? Like, I mean, we just got to be honest. That's what this shoe is. But I'm not complaining. I got my hands on a pair, and I'm holding for at least 6 months. At least 6. But the only way that will change is if within 3 months the shoe rises up to 2K. If this shoe rises to 2K really quick, or kind of does that, you know, Jordan 1 high pattern where people actually don't sell it when they get it in hand, and then it rises up, yeah, I'd be happy about that. But that probably won't be the case. I know there'll be some newer resellers just trying to get some money so they can continue in the game. I understand that. I'm not complaining. And, you know, I just hope people wear their pairs. This isn't my size, but, you know, if I had my size, your boy would probably be towing these. But they're not bad, just... it's a lot, but they're going to continue rising. So if you're trying to figure out when to buy your pair for the personal collection, maybe wait a week or two to see when the sneakers pairs lands and then go. But after that, it's time because these are going to be going. But that's really all I got to say. I love the progress on these so far. Overall, just been flat right now, which I do not mind because that means we'll be seeing something great down the line. As long as these aren't dropping right now, people are holding on to them. I think, you know, great future for this shoe. So we'll just kind of head into the outro right now. Just wanted to discuss and unbox these with you all, kind of show you all the details of them. This is a really unique pair of shoes. I mean, not in terms of the whole Jordan 1 low concept, but in terms of all the details, really small details and things that they added to the shoe. Even on the tongue, you guys can notice there's Cactus Jack on the side there. Like, they've added a lot of really small, simple things to this. It's nice. So, but maybe enough Cactus Jack, all right? Next time for Jordan, don't put the Cactus Jack logo 3 times on one shoe. Come on now, we don't need that. But yeah, again, just subscribe and like for more videos like this. This is what we do on the channel right here. I'm holding this shoe. If you have a pair and you were kind of deciding whether the seller hold it, I swear, please do not sell it. Please don't. Please, you will regret it. You will. I know you will. And yeah, no like on this video, just as many as possible. That's usually what we go for. Road to 50K again. I promise we having a giveaway then, and you guys have been blowing the channel up, so thank you all. I had a great story sale yesterday on my Instagram. I had people buying some pairs. You know, we got some sales going, and we still got some pairs we need to sell. But overall, thank you to everyone that stopped by and shop with me. You know, we still got more stuff I'll be posting for sale soon. But soon. Just stay tuned. And yeah, that's a new word. Stay tuned, soon. Look at me coming up with new words. Stay tuned. I'll see y'all in the next one. Check my Instagrams, all that down below. Sorry for the super loud traffic. Peace.